Open it.
Take this off?
Yeah. Oh. Pretties. Oh, I don't know. Open it. It's Allie's present. Allie needs to open it. Rip the paper right there.
Daddy, look how big a bear's footprint looks like.
In a second.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What is it? Oh, show Daddy. Rub his belly. Did he wake up? He's a little baby bear. He's talking to you. Don't be scared of it, Allie. Rub his belly.
No.
Oh, he's crying. He's sleeping. Is that your baby bear?
Eat it. You should get a present for her.
You want me to take it out of the box for you?